Hello everybody, today we are talking about the English consonants. Consonantal sounds are classified according to those three dimensions: voicing, place of articulation, and the manner of articulation. In this case, we are talking about three consonant sounds. Okay, in first place, we talk about the consonant sound B. This consonant sound is voiced. The place of articulation is bilabial, the manner of articulation is plosive, and the position of soft palate is oral. A good manner to know if a consonant is voiced or voiceless is feeling the vibration in your throat. For example, in the consonant ba, you put your hand in your throat and you feel the vibration ba ba. And now our second consonant, it's ka. Ka. This consonant is voiceless. If you put your hand, you don't feel any vibration. Ka. It's velar because you use the velum of your palate and it's plosive. You pronounce ka, ka, ka. The third consonant sound is n. It is a voiced consonant sound. The place of articulation is alveolar. The manner of articulation is stop. And the position of the palate is nasal because the air passes to the nasal cavity. N, N, N. Okay, let's practice with the sound ba. This is a complete sentence. I like blueberries very much. You have to notice that when you pronounce the consonant ba, you made a stop sound. I like blueberries very much. Now in the following sentence, we can use the consonant ka. For example, he has a pencil in his pocket, or the car cost a lot. You have to notice that ka is unvoiced and you feel the aspiration of air when you pronounce ka. The car costs a lot. He has a pencil in his pocket. Then we practice the consonant sound n. You remember that it's nasal. You can notice the nasalization of the sound when the air passes through the nasal cavity in the next sentences. The suit is hanging on the hanger, or someone is running the wrong way. You notice the production of this sound is using the nasal cavity especially, and we have to remember that it's voiced sound. And finally, remember that if you have or you want to pronounce an IPA consonant, you have to move your tongue and try to exaggerate a little in order to produce a good sound. Remember, pa, n, and ka. You have to exaggerate the movement of your mouth to produce the sound. Remember this, and that's no more for today. Have an excellent day. Bye.